Hey everyone, the BenQ TK705i and TK705STi are two of the latest additions to BenQ's home theater lineup, designed to deliver a true cinematic experience while also catering to gamers and everyday streamers. Both projectors come with built-in Google TV, allowing direct access to streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video without the need for additional devices. This makes them not just projectors, but complete entertainment hubs that can project up to 150 inches in stunning 4K HD resolution at 3,840 by 2,160 pixels. A major highlight of the TK705i and TK705STi is BenQ's cinematic color technology. The inclusion of HDR/PRO further elevates the visual quality by combining local and global HDR tone mapping, resulting in deeper contrasts, brighter highlights, and an overall balanced image across both dark and light scenes. With 3,000 ANSI lumens of brightness, the projectors are capable of delivering sharp, vivid images even in daylight conditions, meaning they are not limited strictly to darkened rooms. Beyond cinema, BenQ has paid close attention to gaming performance. Both the TK705i and TK705STi boast a remarkably low 5 milliseconds input lag at 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring that fast-paced games feel fluid and responsive. Combined with HDMI 2.1 support and auto-low latency mode, these projectors can handle modern gaming consoles like the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and even portable systems like the Nintendo Switch with ease. Connectivity options are also well thought out. With dual HDMI 2.1 ports, the projectors can connect to multiple sources without frequent cable swapping, while the USB-C port with 30-watt power delivery enables charging and media playback from compatible devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This combination of ports makes the TK705i and TK705STi practical for both entertainment and work-related scenarios, especially when used with external speakers or soundbars to complement the built-in audio. Ease of setup is another area where these models shine. Both include features like autofocus, auto keystone correction, and BenQ's 8-way smart image adaptation, which collectively make alignment and picture calibration straightforward. The TK705i is equipped with a motorized zoom lens, offering more flexibility in placement, which is particularly useful in medium to large rooms where projector positioning can be tricky. In contrast, the TK705STi uses short-throw optics, enabling it to create large images from a much shorter distance. From a pricing standpoint, the TK705i and TK705STi are positioned competitively given their feature set. At €1,399 and €1,599 respectively, they sit in a range that makes them attractive for serious home theater enthusiasts and gamers who want high-end performance without venturing into the ultra-premium bracket. Taken together, the BenQ TK705i and TK705STi represent a thoughtful balance of cinema-grade visuals, gaming responsiveness, and smart TV integration. The TK705i is best suited for those who want more flexible placement and a motorized zoom for larger rooms, while the TK705STi caters to users in smaller environments who still want a big screen experience without compromises. Both models deliver impressive brightness, vibrant color accuracy, and a suite of intelligent features that make them user-friendly and highly adaptable, ensuring they appeal to a wide range of home entertainment needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.